The bells ring out. Here we have an F sharp in the right hand with your finger 4 each time. This is a bell peal, a peal of the bells. So again, the tune goes from right to left hand. So really there's no point splitting them up. It's just a question of practicing it to get the tune right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, da, 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 ba, ba, bum. Off. Notice the last notes, the D in the right hand and the B in the left hand are tied, so you don't repeat them with the crotches at the end, you just tie it so it's 5 beats altogether.